CUET UG 2023 application form has been released by NTA on February 10. The process is completely online and candidates must fill the form carefully, otherwise it may result into the cancellation of candidature. This video by Shiksha.com brings the step-by-step procedure to fill the CUET UG 2023 application form. The first step is to visit the official website of the exam, which is cuet.samarth.ac.in. Click on the registration tab, read all the instructions carefully and click on the checkbox and click here to proceed tab. The CUET UG 2023 registration form has to be filled with candidates' personal details such as name, parents' name, date of birth, gender, nationality, identity type and number and contact details. The next step is to select the password, security question and confirm it. You will receive a registration confirmation from NTA on your mobile and email. After verifying the details, enter the OTP to continue filling the application form. Fill up the CUET UG application form with personal details and past academic information. The next step is to select 2 exam center cities in preferential order. After that, select the university and program from the drop-down menu and click on the Add tab. You may also check the university and program-wise eligibility criteria. Candidates will have to select any 3 courses in each university to which they wish to apply. The next section is to select the test paper or subjects. The first and second subject options are languages, which are compulsory to attempt. Rest are the 27 domain-specific subjects that candidates have to choose along with the medium of the test paper. As many as 10 subjects can be chosen. The application fee would vary as per the number of subjects chosen. The following step is to upload documents. Applicants will have to upload their photograph, signature and category documents in requisite size and dimensions. The last and final step is to pay the application fee. Check the final amount and select the payment mode and complete the payment process. After successful transaction, you will receive the application confirmation on screen and through email. Download and print the application confirmation. This was all about CUET UG 2023 application process. Feel free to reach out to us for queries in the comment section below. All the best.